go! Come, my children, sit with me. Let's learn letters A, B, C. Say them loud, say them clear. Teacher's voice is here.